Hello guys, welcome back again to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for joining us. Please, if you are new to this channel, do remember to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. You can click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever a new video is posted. So guys, I'll be showing you how to make moringa powder. Okay, so here are my very green moringa leaves here. Moringa powder is a very rich source of fiber. It helps to improve your hair growth. It's very good for your skin. It's a rich source of iron and it's good for iron deficiency, anemia. Okay, moringa helps to protect the liver and also helps in stomach problem. Today I'm going to show you how you can make moringa powder. You can use the powder as your tea, as a face mask, or to make soap with it. I'm going to start by removing the leaves. So this is how it's removed. So you're just going to remove the stem, take it away. It's only the leaves you need. This is a very simple DIY you can do at home. Okay guys, I've finished picking the leaves, so I'm going to throw away the stems. Before using your moringa leaves, it's best to wash this because you can easily use it for tea. So it's something that goes into the body. It really needs to be clean. After rinsing this, I'm going to leave this in the colander to drain. So I'm just spreading this to the side. Okay. If you notice the water has reduced from the leaf, you can spread this out on a tray. I'm going to be drying this in the oven. You can use the sun or your dehydrator to dry this. Okay, into the oven I'm going to pop this until it turns out very dry. It's best to dry this using a low flame. Okay guys, our moringa leaves are completely dried. Okay, you can notice the beautiful green color and they look crispy and can easily break apart. Okay, so next you can take some out for your moringa tea. In my next video I'm going to be showing you how to make moringa tea, so watch out for that. I'm going to proceed to turning this into a fine powder. So what I'm just going to do, I'm going to bring this into the blender. So I have my blender here, so make sure your blender is dry. You should have it in mind that after drying your leaves they become smaller. So if you want more of the powder, you can dry a large quantity of the leaves to get that. I'm just going to cover the blender and blend these right away. After blending this, I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So it's a little bit dusty, so I had to hit the cover first so it's smooth. Because I'm going to be using this as face mask, I just love to strain this. You can add your moringa powder to your smoothie drink, energy drink, and you can also use the powder to make tea. And you can also use it as face mask for treating acne. Moringa is rich in vitamin C. The amount of vitamin C in moringa is 7 times of that of orange. And also the amount of potassium in moringa is 15 times of that of banana. Moringa helps to boost the immune system, fight infection, and is a very rich source of antioxidants. And it's a very good remedy for weight loss, so you can use this to lose weight. So guys, this was how to make moringa powder at home. I hope you liked this video, and if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever an interesting video like this is uploaded. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. Stay tuned. Bye.